Welcome, I'm filming the Xiaomi Redmi 10 and today I'll show you how to put the device into recovery mode. And to get started, all you need to do is hold the power key, select power off. Once the device is off, hold the power key and volume up at the same time. And once you feel the phone vibrate, you want to let go of the two keys, or vibrate or see the Redmi logo. There it is. And as you can see, once you let go, it will automatically put into recovery mode. Now in this mode you'll need to use volume keys to navigate through the options, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And as you can see, we can reboot, wipe data, connect with Mi Assistant, or boot the device into safe mode. And that's basically all we have here. And because I want to leave this mode, I'm gonna stick with the first option, confirm it, confirm that, and this will now take me back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.